city lost to time under the moon's soft gaze. Whispers fill the air, secrets held in silent spaces. Moonlight dances on cobblestones, shadows stretch and bend. Each step I take, a journey to the unknown. Echoes of the past in the wind they blend, seeking solace in the night. In the dark I ascend, in the city of whispers, where the shadows play. I search for answers in the night's sweet sway. Moonlight pass and silent calls, in the dark I find. The city holds its secrets in the night's soft mind. Through the alleys where the echoes linger, stories of the forgotten in the moonlight sing there. Silent voices guide my way through the city's maze. In the night's embrace I seek what I may. Echoes of the past in the wind they blend, seeking solace in the night. In the dark I ascend, in the city of whispers, where the shadows play. I search for answers in the night's sweet sway. Moonlight pass and silent calls, in the dark I find. The city holds its secrets in the night's soft mind. In the city of whispers, where the shadows play, I search for answers in the night's sweet sway. Moonlit paths and silent calls, in the dark I find. The city holds its secrets in the night's soft bind. In a city lost to time under the moon's soft gaze. Whispers fill the air, secrets held in silent spaces. Moonlight dances on cobblestones, shadows stretch and bend. Each step I take, a journey to the unknown. Echoes of the past in the wind they blend, seeking solace in the night. In the dark I ascend, in the city of whispers, where the shadows play. I search for answers in the night's sweet sway. Moonlight paths and silent calls, in the dark I find. The city holds its secrets in the night's soft mind. Through the alleys where the echoes linger, stories of the forgotten in the moonlight sing there. Silent voices guide my way through the city's maze. In the night's embrace I seek what I may. Echoes of the past in the wind they blend, seeking solace in the night. In the dark I ascend, in the city of whispers,